Welcome to the brand new Turkish Airlines business class. Everything is more airy, flowy, and brighter. Isn't it just perfect?
I'll be the judge of that.
Well, I really hope you enjoyed the new seat design. It's a lot more comfortable, wider and longer.
For big blokes like me.
Settling into the new honeymoon suite? Enough space for the three of you?
Ask me yourself.
And that's the award-winning meal prepared for you by the flying chef. And they're also designed with detailing of
Rose gold. Marble.
Look at those beautiful pink clouds. Every window suite has full visibility, and the side tables have wireless charging. There are cabin doors for privacy, and in-flight entertainment for the whole family.
I like the bigger screen.
I love a bigger screen.
Ice cream?
Well, big 22-inch screens, actually. Ooh, look, here comes your ice cream, ma'am. All these features are designed with passenger feedback. So, what do you think?
I love it.
Everyone's a critic. The new business class suite, designed from scratch based on real passenger feedback. By Turkish Airlines.